Quick and simple, connecting AirPods to iPhone. Here's a step-by-step guide to quickly and simply connect AirPods to an iPhone. Step 1. Make sure your AirPods are changed. Place them in their charging case and ensure that the case itself has a charge as well. Step 2. Open the lid of the AirPods case. You should see a small button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button. Step 3. Keep holding the button until the status light on the case starts blinking white. This indicates that the AirPods are in pairing mode. Step 4. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 5. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. It is typically represented by a gear icon. Step 6. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Step 7. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. If it is not already enabled, tap the toggle switch to turn it on. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 8. Your iPhone will now search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for your AirPods in the list of available devices under Other Devices. Step 9. When you see your AirPods listed, tap on them to initiate the pairing process. Step 10. You may see a prompt asking you to confirm the pairing. Tap Connect or Pair to confirm. Step 11. Once the pairing is successful, you will see your AirPods listed under My Devices in the Bluetooth settings with a connected status. Step 12. Close the Settings app and return to the home screen. Step 13. Your AirPods are now connected to your iPhone. You should see the battery status of your AirPods and the charging case displayed on your iPhone screen. Step 14. You can start using your AirPods to listen to music, make phone calls, or interact with Siri on your iPhone. That's it. You have successfully connected your AirPods to your iPhone. Enjoy your wireless audio experience. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Your support means the world to me. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for being a part of this community. Your comments, likes, and shares truly make my day. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out the channel and let me know what kind of content you want to see more of. I wish you all a wonderful day filled with joy, positivity, and success. Stay awesome, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video.